Let's talk about the Duolingo app not working on your iPhone and how you can fix that. What are some things you can do about it? First of all, keep in mind that it is a third-party app, right? So we need to pay attention to the releases and updates for that specific app. And you can do that by opening up the App Store, and you can again just tap on the search and look up the word Duolingo. And when you get to the app, you might notice that there is an update available, right? If you see the open button next to the page and icon inside of the App Store, it means that you run the latest version. But if there is the update button, you need to update to the latest version because a lot of times it just makes the change better, right? So it just makes it work. Obviously, the next thing to pay attention to is your internet connection because it is an internet-based app. So you want to also ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data and that the connection is fine. Besides that, I would also just restart the iPhone. I know it's kind of basic, but I just always do that whenever I have a problem like this. Just turn the iPhone off, wait a bit, wait a minute or so, and then turn it back on. All of the caches and background processes just reset when you have the device turn off, and then it can start working fresh again. So a lot of times it just fixes the issue for me. But what might also happen is that simply Duolingo is just not working for the moment and there's nothing you can do, right? Like their own servers or their own app might be down a bit, which is not really that common, but it might happen, right? So you might want to check for their updates. Perhaps they put something on their website or like a Twitter post or something to see if they don't have any problems. So yeah, I mean that's the stuff that you can do. Let me know down below in the comments if you managed to get it working or what was the thing that really helped. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.